Welcome to What Madua School, and this is Teacher Dom's online teaching class. Our subject for today is Science for Grade 1, and our topic is Animals in the Farm. Our keywords are cow, cow, pig, pig, goat, goat, sheep, 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 dog, dog, chicken, 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 rabbit, rabbit, turkey, 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 donkey, donkey, horse, horse. For this lesson, we have only one sentence structure. The sentence structure is, tell me the name. What animal is it? What animal is it? It is a turkey. Turkey. Now it's your turn to practice. Are you ready? This is a spelling test. Listen to the word being mentioned and write the correct spelling in your notebook. Let's start with practice test number 1. Cow, cow. C-O-W, C-O-W, cow, cow. Practice test number 2. Pig, pig. P-I-G, P-I-G, pig, pig. Practice test number 3. Goat, goat. G-O-A-T, G-O-A-T, goat, goat. Practice test number 4. Sheep, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, S-H-E-E-P, sheep, sheep. Practice test number 5. Dog, dog. D-O-G, D-O-G, dog, dog. Practice test number 6. Chicken, chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken, chicken. Practice test number 7. Rabbit, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, 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 rabbit, rabbit. Practice test number 8. Turkey, turkey. T-U-R-K-A-E-Y, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey, turkey. Practice test number 9. Donkey, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, D-O-N-K-E-Y, N K E Y. Donkey. Donkey. Practice test number 10. Horse. Horse. H O R S E. H O R S E. Horse. Horse. Now what is your score? Our total expected test score is 10. So it is expected that you have a score of 10 over 10. For more online test practice and homework, please answer the assigned worksheets given to you through Line group application. Submit to me for checking and final recording of your points. Thanks a lot for following this online lesson for Thai young learners at Wat Madua School, Nonthaburi, Thailand. Keep learning and follow Teacher Dom's online teaching class. See you until the next online lesson. Bye-bye.